In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and navigate Wix support effectively. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, understanding how to find the right help can save you a lot of time and troubles in managing your website. The process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you know exactly what to do to get the support you need. Let's start by opening Google Chrome or your preferred web browser and heading directly to the website www.wix.com/support. This page is your gateway to an abundance of useful resources and assistance related to your Wix account. At the top of the page, you'll notice a search bar. This is a powerful tool to help you find answers to your questions. Simply type in a few keywords related to the issue or topic you need help with, and the search bar will provide you with a selection of relevant help articles. These articles are designed to be as instructive and detailed as possible, catering to a wide range of topics from basic setups to more complex inquiries about Wix features. If you feel that the help articles aren't resolving your issue, or if you prefer direct interaction with a support team member, scroll down the support page until you find the Contact Us section. This area is specifically designed for users who need personalized support. Here, you have several options to choose from to connect with a Wix representative. You can engage in a live chat, request a callback, or if you prefer, send an email. Each of these options has its own benefits. Live chat is excellent for immediate responses, callbacks allow you to discuss your issue at length, and emails provide a written record of your communication, which can be useful for follow-ups. Once you've decided on your preferred method of contact, you'll need to fill out a few details. Make sure to provide all the requested information accurately. Typically, you'll be asked for basic details like your name, email address, and a clear description of the issue you're experiencing or the question you'd like answered. This information is critical as it helps the support team understand your needs and prepare the best possible solution for you. After submitting your information, you can relax while Wix's support team reviews your case. They will reach out to you using your preferred method of communication, whether that's through chat, a phone call, or email. Remember, it may take some time, depending on their current volume of requests, but rest assured, they strive to attend to all inquiries as promptly as possible. And there you have it. You're all set to get the help you need from Wix support. Remember, efficient communication and patience go a long way in ensuring you receive the assistance you require. Thank you for watching, and good luck with resolving your Wix-related queries.